Hello children, welcome to the next video lecture. This is lymphatic system in continuation with the blood vascular system. Lymphatic system consists of lymph vessels and lymph nodes. There is no heart in this, okay? Only the lymph nodes are present, and there are many, around more than 100 you can say lymph nodes are present in our body, as you can see in the picture also. And there are many lymph organs also, in which you can see the spleen is the largest one, the main lymphatic organ. Tonsils are also there, adenoids are there, right? Now what is lymph, and what is the function and the difference between lymph and blood, we will take up. So children, I have already discussed about the lymphatic system. I have shown you in the previous slide. Lymphatic system consists of lymph vessels and lymph nodes. Lymph, is a yellowish tissue fluid which contains plasma, proteins and white blood cells. And in white blood cells, mainly lymphocytes. Lymph always flows in one direction, and that is the upward direction towards the neck in lymph vessels. These vessels, they connect to two subclavian veins at the shoulder region, which thus re-enters the circulatory system. Lymph is actually, children, it's an extracellular fluid, and at the capillary, when the blood is distributed to the tissue, there's some part of the plasma of the blood along with WBCs cannot pass back into the venules. That forms the lymph. And this lymph flows in the lymph vessels, and then it is returned back to the circulatory system. Otherwise, the blood which flows in our body is around 5 liters. If the lymph or this tissue fluid keeps collecting at each tissue level, so you can see how less will be the blood left. But it is returned back to the circulatory system, and that's how the amount, that is 5 liters, is maintained in a body. 5 liters is on an average. Now it has an important function also to play in a body, because it contains the white blood cells, that is lymphocytes. So it captures the bacteria and destroys them in the lymph nodes. Lymph also helps in the absorption of the larger molecules like fatty acids and transport this fat to the circulatory system. Children, you can see the difference between blood and lymph in this. Blood, is red in color, and lymph is pale yellow in color because it does not contain RBCs. The second difference will be RBCs are present in blood, RBCs are absent in the lymph. Blood flows in both the directions, in upward as well as in downward direction, and the pressure is given by the beating of heart we have done. But lymph, it does not contain heart, so the blood flows in one direction only, so it is unidirectional flow. The pressure of the blood is very high we have seen in the circulatory system, so flow is rapid of the blood, whereas the flow of lymph is very slow. Leukocyte, that is the WBC count, is relatively less, but in case of lymph it is concentrated. High leukocyte count is there. Platelets are present in the blood, but they are absent in lymph. They are small size, so they pass into the blood. So children, thank you so much. I think I was clear to you. Any doubt regarding this, you can write in the comment section below.